The next major sin is utilizing the unlawful. This is when someone uses anything that is unlawful. It includes using unlawful wealth, using items which are unlawful, and eating unlawful foods. It is important to note that the specific things which have been labeled unlawful by Islam, such as alcohol, is not the only things which are unlawful. In fact, even lawful things can become unlawful if they have been gained through unlawful things. For example, a lawful food can become unlawful if it is bought with unlawful wealth. Therefore, it is important for Muslims to ensure they only deal with lawful things, as it only takes one element of the unlawful to ruin someone. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2346, that the one who utilizes the unlawful will have all their supplications rejected. If their supplications are rejected by Allah, the Exalted, can one expect any of their good deeds to be accepted? This in fact has been answered in another narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1410. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, clearly warned that Allah, the Exalted, only accepts the lawful. Therefore, any deed which has a foundation in the unlawful, such as performing the holy pilgrimage with unlawful wealth, will be rejected. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3118, that this type of person will be sent to hell on Judgment Day. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 188.
And do not consume one another's wealth unjustly or send it in bribery to the rulers in order that they might aid you to consume a portion of the wealth of the people in sin, while you know it is unlawful.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.